what method are you going to use, and it has like all of them, like one sample,
Okay.
sigma known, sigma unknown, blah blah blah, like all of them. So I think you could use any.
Okay. Cool.
I didn't really have any awesome ideas though.
I didn't either.
I haven't looked at that.
Oh, good. Honesty is the best policy.
Yikes.
Sorry, so I'm pulling it up.
Well, pretty much just like comparing things together or finding like the average of something as well. Like the Oreo study where they took the middle of the Oreos and they found if there was more filling in the double stuffed or the just traditional one. We could do something sort of like that.
That would be cool. You okay
Yeah.
with that?
But I don't know if we'd be able to do Oreos.
But yeah, she's like no candy, but then she has like cookies and stuff. So I'm like, where's the line?
Oh, that's true. Dang. Can we just say it's classified as food, not candy? Let me think.
Okay.
Do you guys know when it's due?
That I can help with. So our design, the study is due. So like, it's like a whole bunch of different due dates. The first one's week 9, and that's when we like have to have the study designed, and then we collect the data by due date 2 of week 12.
Okay.
And then there's due dates week 13, and then the last week of school, there's a PowerPoint presentation, and then evaluating each other.
Okay, so week
That's
9.
not too bad.
Yeah, so like what we need to be doing is just right now is just figuring out what we want to do.
Yeah.
I wonder if we could do something with, oh, never mind. And she said to do something you're interested in as well, like that you actually have a question for. And I'm trying to think of what questions do I have about life? Like, that could apply to statistics too.
Okay.
Like, how it's the average, you know, at Walmart when they sell those fish? You can say, okay, what's the average fish that normally is sold at Walmart or something? Or that's sad, but how long do they normally live after they've been bought or something?
Oh no, that means we're going to buy all these fish. Yikes.
Yeah, I'm like, oh no, that's terrible. I don't know how we do that, but that would be interesting to figure out. Because my very first semester, I got a fish from Walmart and it died like 4 weeks later. So sad.
Okay.
I'm trying to.
I didn't realize we had so long to think about it.
Yeah. So did you see like the examples? Like, are there 1,000 chips in every bag of Chips Ahoy? Are brand A paper towels stronger than brand B? Is there a difference in the prices of books at the BYU Idaho bookstore compared to those available online?
Yes.
Sorry.
So maybe like a comparison would be better.
I like the idea of a comparison.
Yeah, because I think it'd be easier to get data, and then all you have to do is, you know, find the difference between the two.
Yeah. Okay, well, so we want to do a comparison.
Mhm.
And we want to do something that's pretty like doable. Maybe we can just like leave it at that, and then by like Saturday, we could text each other with our ideas, and then make a like finalized decision.
Good idea.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree with
Let's
that.
plan that like Saturday. We'll all like have one idea, and then we can figure it out after that.
Sounds good.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we need to look at the prep assignment, or are we all good?
I'm good.
Okay, good.
I think we're good.
Yay.
I think it probably took me like only 10 or 15 minutes to do this one this time. Normally it takes me a lot longer. But this time I was like, oh, yep, got this done.
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah. Okay, cool. On to the quiz.
Yay.
Okay, guess we'll start. So question 3 asks, what requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? Mark all that apply. Two means.
Isn't it the same that needs to be required for all of them?
Yeah, like simple random sample and then normal distribution.
And then distributed. Yeah.
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 Okay. Question 4. The test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is a t-score.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, question number 5. Two samples are independent if knowing which subjects determines which subjects will be in the other group, or knowing which subjects won't tell you nothing. And I say B.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. A lot of information. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. This data represents a simple random sample of dental bills, a dentist office in Idaho Falls, and a dentist office in Rexburg. Let mu1 be the mean bill at the Idaho Falls office, and let mu2 be the mean bill at the Rexburg office. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if the mean bill at the Idaho Falls office is less than the mean bill at the Rexburg office, which means we have the null hypothesis is mu1 equals mu2, and alternate hypothesis mu1 is less than mu2. Use level of significance 0.10. Okay. So pretty much we just take this data thing and put it into the
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I think I got it.
What'd you guys get?
37.996.
Me too. I don't really understand how it can be like points of a degree. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, but yes, I got the same thing.
Did you get that, Rachel?
Oh. I was reading, so now I'm copying and pasting.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, good. Okay, what are we looking for again? We're looking for degrees of freedom. Yeah, 37.996.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay. And the next one is what? What is the standard deviation for Rexburg?
Okay, so Rexburg was variable 2, right?
Yeah.
I got 206.637.
That's what I got too. Hey, I have a question for you. So when I've been doing this, the standard deviation doesn't show up on the quantitative inference procedures one, so I use the other one. Is that what everyone else has to do, or does yours show up there?
Mine has been showing up on the procedures. I just have to make sure it's a 2-sample test at the bottom. But
Yeah, I didn't know that for like the first week.
Okay, so what do you have to do?
So
I
at
just
the
make
very
sure it's-
bottom,
yeah.
there's like the tabs, the 1-sample t-test, 2-sample t-test, and the 2-sample t-test.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and you click on the 2-sample t-test.
Okay, yeah, I'm there. It
Oh.
just like where it says summary statistics, there's no information in there.
Oh yeah, just scroll down.
Scroll down.
That's by the mean and everything.
Yeah, I don't have anything in there either. Yeah, I scroll down to where it's left to right instead of up and down.
Oh, okay, I got That's really silly. Okay.
I don't,
That is funny. Yeah,
I think that's the hardest part. The hardest part about all this is Excel. Try to figure that out.
Oh man. That's funny how often I have moments like that when we're on these calls.
No, it's all good. I have them all the time.
So question 8, what's the test statistic? And I got negative 0.434.
Yeah.
Number 9. What is the p-value? The p-value, I got 0.6665.
I got 0.333.
Oh, wait. I didn't change it.
Oh,
I changed it to
wait.
less than, right? Or equal to.
Should it be equal to?
No, it should be less than, right?
Less than. Okay, yeah, because it says they want to test if the mean
less
build.
than.
I always
So
forget.
less than confidence at 0.9.
Yeah.
Yeah. 0.333.
Yep, that's what I got.
Sounds good.
Okay. What is the correct decision based on this evidence?
So fail to reject?
I think so. I have so much trouble with these ones. Like I just always question myself.
Yeah, so if it's greater, don't reject it.
Okay.
Okay, good. I always forget. Okay. Is everybody ready for 11?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose that instead you alterate the hypothesis that you will not point. What's the correct decision based on this evidence?
These are the other ones that I have trouble with.
So do Rachel and I.
Oh, good.
Well, it's still different. Like the only way that it would be, oh wait, because if it was like equal to each other, then we would still, or we would, hold on, because did we reject it? Or did we? Oh, we failed to reject it. Okay, so we agreed with it being less than. But if it was equal to, then we would. Nope. Hold on, now I'm confused. No, it's equal to what?
So since we're still failing to reject it, so that means we have insufficient evidence, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think it would be B, that the mean we have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are different.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no, it's safe. No, I don't know.
Wait.
Okay, hold on. Insufficient. Okay, so what without like a doubt, I think we need to be looking for like whether or not they're whether or not they're different. So I think it's either A or B based on that. And then I think we have insufficient evidence because of what we determined. So I think it's B.
Mm-hmm.
But
I
then
think
we
because
just
of
said
the numbers. Because the numbers, it's insufficient. Like the p-value.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the mean is different. Yeah, I'd say B as well. I'm like 95% sure. Does that work? Okay, are we going with B then?
Yeah, I'm just trying to think still.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry.
No, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, yes, that's what I think. Sorry.
That's okay. I'm glad that you're thinking about it.
Okay.
Okay. Is it my turn to read?
Sure.
Okay.
I always forget.
For the next 6 questions, use the data file, freshman dinner, Excel file. That says XL. That's funny. This data represents the number of times freshman students from Utah and Colorado cook their own dinner in a month. Let U1 represent the mean number of times a month that a student from Colorado cooks dinner, and let U2 represent this mean for the Utah students. You suspect that freshmen from Utah cook dinner for themselves a different number of times than freshmen from Colorado. Perform a hypothesis to determine if your suspicion is correct. And then that stuff. So I need to change my little drop-down guy from less than to not equal to.
Mm-hmm.
Bum, ba, bum. Sorry. Oh wait, no, I need to not change that to that. Wait, yes I
So
do.
we're doing not equal to, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because it says that they cook a different number of times. Yeah.
yeah.
It doesn't say less than or equal to, just different.
Okay.
Yeah, so question 12 is B.
Yeah.
Second one.
Okay, then what is the test statistic? And I got 0.845.
Me too.
Yeah.
Okay. P-value, I got 0.411.
Flipping. Why? Okay, we're good.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Is it my turn again? What decision do you make?
Fail it again.
Yep.
Yep.
Because it's bigger than, what did we say? 1,
0.5.
oh, yeah, 0.05.
0.05.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Ooh, last question set. Okay. Determine a 95% confidence interval for U1 minus U2. An estimate for the difference between U1 and U2. Okay. Input your answers below. Determine the margin of error for this 95% confidence. Ugh, this is what I'm not good at.
Oh, this is the fun one.
Yeah.
Terrible.
And it's for the same. Yeah, it's for the same one that we just did, right? Same data set.
But now we have to subtract them.
Oh, wait, but we have 2 means. So which mean are we computing for? Let's see.
Oh gosh.
Are we looking for the difference, maybe?
I'm going to my book.
Yep.
An estimate for the difference between. So, oh, wait. Wouldn't we do like the, well, no, this is a paired sample test, but we don't want to do a paired sample test, do we?
What?
I'm not in here.
Wait, I have a theory. Is it we put it into the paired sample t-test to find the difference between the 2 of them, and then we find the confidence interval for the mean of the difference?
That sounds better than anything I have.
Because it's having us find an estimate for the difference.
That was reassuring now.
It is, or are we just finding the difference between the 2?
Gosh.
Oh, dang. Just kidding. I don't know.
Okay, so what?
It doesn't say anything about it in the lesson.
It doesn't. So I think we have to go backwards.
Dang.
We kind of did this last time where we had to just subtract them, and then it did it. Do you think maybe that's how it does it this time too?
That sounds good to me.
That's the
Yeah. The only thing I'm confused on sample t-test or just a two sample t-test for means. And are we finding the margin of error for like the differences? Like the confidence interval for, or confidence interval for what? Exactly.
Okay. So in my notes, I have the mean plus or minus the margin of error equals the confidence interval. But I'm still trying to figure out how to get the margin of error.
I think I'm just going to do the 2 sample t-test for mean, and we'll just do that. And we'll see how it works.
Your voices.
Okay.
You hear the voice.
But then I'm confused on what mean we're subtracting or adding from.
Oh,
I don't know if this is like.
Because if we found the margin of error for variable 1, it'd be different than the margin of error for variable 2. That's my only thing. Or I could put it into the paired sample test and get the difference, and then there's a margin of error for difference. In that one,
That
if that
sounds
makes
like
sense.
what we're supposed to do.
I don't know. But I'll put it in and I'll see what I get out of that one. Which one? This one is the freshman. Yeah.
So guess what? I have no classes tomorrow. Like my English class is canceled because my English teacher and all the other English professors are going on a retreat or something like that. And then our Russian teachers in the class, I'm going to use that right away. My grandfather is really sick. So here's the test. Take it. When you're done, put on the desk. You're able to get it. That lasts for more. Bye.
Okay, so I put those in.
That's what
And it looks like they have a confidence interval for the differences.
just happened.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, so what I did was, because it's asking us to find the difference between, sample 1 and sample 2, and then find the margin of error for that difference, it seems. And so I put the calculations into the paired sample t-test for me instead of the 2 sample, so I could get the difference. And then there's a confidence interval for just the difference between the 2 variables, and that with just those, you can find the margin of error.
Okay, so you just have to put it in a different one.
Yeah, I just put it in the other one. So let's see.
I just called her last night at like 12 o'clock. 12:01. Yeah, because that's the only thing she like. When I text her during the day, like she usually waits until like.
Oh, but I got a different.
So I stayed up till midnight,
Margin
which is like way faster than I usually go to bed. I was like, hey, and I called her and I left her a message, but she just texted me. Shut off from work. I should have responded to you. It was like, what's wrong?
I just really don't know about this stuff right here.
I don't know. Okay, I think it's 3.694. But I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. Because what I did, I just took, because the mean of the differences is just 2.0, and the confidence intervals aren't the same to the left or to the right. So like adding the margin of error to the one side, it works, but to the other side, it didn't work. Like minusing it from the mean of differences. So I just averaged it to about 3.694.
I'm not sure if you're supposed to freeze hand.
Does that make any sense?
It does.
Because I don't know how to do it for the other one.
Yeah, I already did. I already cut it up into blocks and then I tossed it in the freezer. So now I got a bunch of chunks of frozen ham. I feel like I'm like in Russia or something, just like taking something out from the side. There's like these big chunks of meat, just like opening my bag and there's just frozen meat. I'm just like, yeah.
Okay. I think that might be the number I'm going with because I
Yeah.
don't know what else
So
to do for that.
I'm gonna trust you
Okay.
because I don't have anything better than that.
Okay. Because normally, I don't know, they say that the margin of error has to be the same on both sides, like all the time. Like if you have a mean of 2 and the margin error is, 3, that it'll be 2. Like if you add it, it'll be 5, and then subtract it, it'll be like negative 1 or
I
something.
already told you about the domestic thing, right?
Like, does that have to be the same on both sides?
Yeah,
I don't know.
I got called by 3 different people on that.
Okay, well, yep. Yeah.
Yeah, so my FAG, sisters, I met a couple of
Caitlin, do you have any other thoughts?
and, I was like, yeah, I'm going to be Fred. They're like, wow, you're really domestic. I was like, what is that supposed to mean? And they're like,
It would take me
"We
a while to
do
do
a lot
it
of things like at home.
into this, but I've never done it before.
I was like,
Okay.
wow. Thanks. And then, because like I make bread, I make cookies.
Yeah, because pretty much for margin of error, all you do is find
And then,
the difference.
yesterday,
It's kind of like you're putting it on a number line. You put the mean like in the middle, and then you've got the confidence interval to the right of the mean and confidence interval to the left of the mean, normally in the negatives. And then you just find how far away like the intervals are from the mean. So if you take like the confidence interval on the right and subtract it by the mean, you'll get normally the margin of error. Because then it should be the same number for if you take the one from the left and like add it to the mean. It should be about the same number. Does that make sense?
I was like, what the heck?
This one specifically, how did, like, what were your numbers for? I can't really hear you that great.
Yeah, I can't really hear you that much either, Caitlin.
Oh, okay.
Maybe it's just the way that I come off.
Okay. But I think I'm just going to go with the margin of error for the paired sample t-test for the differences.
And you got what?
And go with that. Yeah, I got 3.694. But we'll see. Okay.
Well, yeah. Like,
And then it says to input the lower bound.
Hey, like your wife's
And for that one, I got negative 1.6.
Like, okay, and then that's housewife part. I was like,
I did not get that.
like I would love to be a single mom dad. That'd be super fun, children and like cooking and cleaning all the time because that's all I do. But so
Okay, so I got negative 2.214.
just the fact that they came to this conclusion.
This is where I don't know which one we're supposed to be using.
Because then they give you like little, like,
I don't know, whatever. I'm happy as is.
Yeah, because that's what I've got for the 2 sample t-test, the negative 2.214.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wait, so why would it? Because I was thinking it was the negative 2.214 as well, and then, but I'm just wondering, like, what would be the other option? Or like, what were you thinking, Rachel?
It's asking for like the confidence interval of the difference. And with the paired sample test, it calculates the difference, and then it has confidence intervals for that difference. But I might be thinking about it wrong. So maybe just doing the 2 sample t-test would be better. Actually,
30-ish. So
hold on. We could probably even do the
I think it's fine.
margin of error from this one.
I usually end up just watching a movie. I started
But then we-
watching Pride and Prejudice, by the way.
Really.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just go with the negative 2.21 for you.
What's his name? Darius or
That's probably what she
what's his
wants.
name? What?
And then 5.147
Yeah, the main
for
guy.
18.
Darius or Augustus or yeah.
All right, I'm submitting quiz and seeing what happens.
Yeah, I think he's an upstanding good man. Okay.
Oh gosh,
Because
What?
like,
we did good until the end.
guy, but you can
Oh,
tell
no.
he's normal. He's like a sweetheart, I guess, kind of guy.
Was it those last
Not
three?
like in the way that normally is.
Yeah, last three.
Like, he-
And then I got question 13 wrong as well,
guy, just trying to do his own
which is weird.
What in the world?
Oh, did you get that one wrong? Oh, I haven't submitted it yet. Let's see. You got 13 wrong as well?
You got 13 wrong as well?
Oh, I haven't submitted it yet.
Oh. Well, 0.845 is wrong.
Okay. Thanks. Did you get number 16 wrong?
Yeah, 16, 17, 18 are wrong.
Oh, flip. That is so weird. I wonder if we are supposed to use the paired sample t-test then.
Yeah, do you like him though?
I guess we can
Yeah,
try.
of course, I like him. I think he, like, I understand the social pressures that he's put under and all that.
But then
And
the
I
null
don't really care
hypothesis,
what he does because,
we just put 0
I
there?
mean, he has to respond to the social pressures somehow.
Hmm?
But I still think he's a good guy.
You have to have the null hypothesis value.
Oh, I can't hear you at all, Caitlin.
Hold on, I think it might be my headphones that are causing the problem, so I'm gonna go outside. It's really sensitive, so it's always thinking it's me.
Oh, good.
No, so Rachel, I was saying when you use the pair one, you have to have a null hypothesis, like a value.
Hold on, wait. Say it one more time.
Okay, so when you have a pair test, then you have to
Mhm.
have a hypothesis value. And I don't know what that would be.
You keep cutting out, and then you get to the end, and it's something value, but I can't tell what that something you're saying is.
The null hypothesis.
Null hypothesis. Oh, true. For the paired sample t-test?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, well, the null hypothesis. Ooh, good question. Oh, maybe we can't use that one because there's no null hypothesis. Yeah. Nope, that makes more sense. Okay, well, we can stick to the 2 sample t-test. Okay.
Well, I just don't know.
But then why did we get the confidence intervals wrong?
Yeah.
I don't know. So is your paired one pulled up?
Is my paired one what?
Is it pulled up?
Pulled up? Yeah, I've got mine. I put in the ones from the freshman, the eating one.
Yeah, me too.
But that's funny
Is
because
that-
I used that one for the margin of error, but this is confusing.
have the p-value right, Taylor?
Hold on.
Number 14.
Number 14 is right.
I don't.
But that, I think, is the p-value for the other test. Oh, no, no, same test. What the heck? Oh. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, that should be the same. But yeah, it's like it doesn't make sense because like the t value is incorrect as well. Is incorrect.
Because the t value is influenced, isn't that the confidence interval? Hold on. Nope, that's like nope.
It's just like yeah, but like it should. If that p value is the same, why would the t statistic be incorrect?
There's an answer to that. I think the null hypothesis is what.
Oh,
what? Changes both of them.
Wait.
Oh, we don't have a null hypothesis.
Wait. Oh my gosh, I am so cold. Okay, hey, what was our alternative hypothesis?
It was.
One was less than the other.
Okay, so we're on the wrong. Oh, I guess it doesn't. That doesn't matter.
Oh, no, just kidding. But it's different.
So just not equal to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, not equal to. 2. What is this one? Assume equal variances. Oh, whoa, that changes everything. Oh, this should be known. Oh, just kidding. I think it has something to do with them not matching up.
Oh, hey. There's something about feedback.
Oh yeah, I just submitted mine too, but it's like closer to the answer shown. It doesn't show an answer though.
Yeah, it doesn't help.
I
Did you
honestly
think
say
the same thing?
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah,
I just don't know. Yeah, I don't know how it could be wrong.
Yeah.
So all you do is input the data and it's right there.
I'll post this what I could do is I'll like leave this, I'll post it, and then ask the question, and then I'll check it throughout the day, and if she responds before the day is over, then I'll let you know, and then we can just like go back and figure out what we can change.
Okay.
'Cause right now I don't have
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay.
sounds good.
All right, and like that's not a bad test or like quiz grade, but it'd be good to figure that out still.
Yeah. Well, it's good to have you back in our group, Taylor.
Yes. Oh yeah, I wanted to say like thank you all so much for being patient with me and for figuring something else out. Because I like was way sad that I thought we'd have to not be in the same group anymore. I like hated that idea.
Yeah.
Like, oh no.
So thank you for your help.
No, that would have been really sad. Okay, cool. So come up with an idea for our project by Saturday, and then we'll meet on Monday at 11:30, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll make sure I remember.
Sweet, sweet.
Okay.
All right. Well, everybody have a good weekend.
All right. You too.
Yeah.
Bye.
See ya.